Hi and assalamu alaikum, welcome back once again to Technology Information channel. Today in this video we are talking about the Perkins old model manual key start controller like a model 1001 model, 1000 2001 model, a different type of models. But the concept is very straightforward and very simple. But we are decided to declare this for our viewer to understand the old concept because the old concept was is our base. If we understanding from the beginning, from the start, we can move easily step to step to the advanced level. Okay. Before the starting the video, a small request to all newcomers. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe and also don't forget to hit the bell notification to get a latest update videos. So let's begin. As you can see, this is the very old model controller and a Perkins FG Wilson model series before 2000. This will stop upcoming from 2005 after. Okay, before this controller is used by the FG Wilson, Caterpillar and Olympian cat. Okay, this is the manual control and only key start and auto manual. You can also operate this controller, and this controller have two main switches: oil temperature and low oil pressures. Okay, as you can see, the model 1001 control system. So one of my subscriber yesterday emailing me to help me I restoring the generator. I especially made the video for my friends and also my all viewer. So this controller, as you can see here, first of all we need to understand the description. The 1001 controller panel is a Keystart operator system which make it only applicable to prime power application due to the auto start capabilities. The system offers two engines protections: high engine temperature and low oil pressure. Both protection are controlled extremely to the control panel by the video engine mounted sensors. The high engine temperature detection will be active at 13105 from 103 Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius. The oil pressure protection will be activated when the pressure drops to the 0.8 bar between 11.75 psi on the 0.5 bar model and 1.25 bar and also 18.5 psi on 0 to 10 bar model. This too is a sensor model already as mentioned. Okay, the generator set is starting by turning the key switch onto the front panel fully clockwise. The contact a positive supply to run the thermostat start wires. The thermostat is start signal wire. This is the simply detail as you can see here. So let me open the another picture of this key start to clearly show. Here is the manuals. The image is blurry and poor quality. So I found it as you can see, but it's still not be too clear. And here as you can see, this is actually the 2001 model, but the wiring is most of same to same. As you can see, this this is the key start. Okay, as you can see, emergency push buttons, key start buttons, and here we have a fuse. As you can see, this is the manual mode. If you want to run the generator into the manual mode, okay, manual mode, as you can see here, this switch is to be the manual mode. Okay, off and auto. Okay, so let me go back to the open completely the wiring diagram and explain each wire step by step. And also, so simply this is the voltmeter. The voltmeter is used 220 or 440 volts. You can connect both. And also we have the frequency also use the 220 volt or 440 volt connection. And also ampere, this is used from the CT coil S1 and S2, the back side, behind side. This is the selector switch between the line to neutral and line to phase. And also this is the selector switch to the amp load on the line to each phase. And here we have the battery voltages, the oil pressure and engine temperature. This is the battery voltages is also directly connected with the system voltages. Let's show you the battery voltages. Okay, and also the engine temperature from the video sensor. The G wire is coming to the oil pressure, and from the temperature sensor also the G wire is coming to the this meter. G means the gauge wire. So let me open the complete schematic diagram of this controller and explain the each wire step by step. So let me open. This is the schematic of the 2001 and also 1001 controller. So first of all, we have here, this is our ignition key switch. Ignition key switch have off, run, thermostat and start. Okay, off for the off position, run for the run position, and thermostat it is used for the with the EAM controller, and start for the start. Okay, first of all we need to follow the run wire. As you can see, the run wire is goes through and spliced. Here we have this wire is connected with the 24, 17, 23 and 21. So let me explain each. As you can see, 1 ampere. As you can see, the R1 means the R1 relay. Okay, as going to the ICR to the crank relay. As you can see, also we have 1 ampere. As you can see here, we have the resistors, 2-watt resistor between hem 51 ohm. Between this, the relay coil is used. Okay, also, and going to the downside, as you can see, the R5 is used for the second relay. As you can see, the 1CR for the crank relay, and also FPT, the fault protection timers. As you can see here, also the fault protection timers. And we have, as you can see, this all is connected from the run wires. Okay, run wire activate the fault protection timer and also the crank relay. The crank relay is also, as you can see, this one here we have the meters. As you can see, the meters already, as I showed before. As you can see, this is the gauges, the oil pressure, Howard meters, and battery voltage meters. As you can see here, this is the Howard meters. This is the Howard meter. The Howard meter is connected one side the positive, one side the negative, and one wire of the gauge. As you can see, one wire of the gauge. And also the oil pressure, as you can see, this is all controlled by the emergency push button stop. Okay, the output from the emergency push button. And also, as you can see, the oil pressure gauge is positive and negative feed, and also the gauge wire of the sensor, video sensor. As you can see, and also we have the battery voltmeter, a positive and negative directly only. Okay, as you can see here. And also the limp test buttons is used to on the limp of the controller during operation and the night. Okay, to show all the gauges and all the meters. Okay, so let me show you this briefly explanation about the controller. As you can see, we have gauge meters, voltmeter, battery voltmeter, Howard meters, and all are here. We have a schematic diagram here, and I already explained this all schematics. The oil pressure sensor is used here, and also the R5 relay through the R1 relay. Okay, so this is the complete detail. If you have further any question, please write comment section. Thanks for watching. See you all next time, and Allah Hafiz.